Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Kiosk India. The product in front of you is a 43-inch digital Standee with 43-inch IPS display, high brightness. These Standees have dimensions of 6 foot height and 2 feet width and 1.5 feet depth. You can see that multiple videos and photos are playing one by one in a slideshow kind of format. You can define various settings of this slideshow like timing or animation or play order. You can define all of that using our software. All these kiosk Standees feature inbuilt heavy duty speakers, and as I said, 43-inch IPS display with toughened glass in front of the display to make it rock solid. And the enclosure itself is powder coated in black color, very smooth and blemishless powder coating. And the enclosure is made of 1.6 mm GI steel, so it is very heavy duty and rugged for use in public locations. You can see that the digital Standees have a very bright and a high quality natural display. All these Standees are portable on wheels. They have heavy duty caster wheels with brakes, so you can move around these Standees and break them in a particular location to fix them. All these Standees come with inbuilt Android OS with 4 GB RAM and 32 GB ROM, capable of playing 4K high quality, high resolution photos and videos. They also come with 2 external USB ports. You can directly plug in your USB pen drive to these ports and update the data inside these Standees. By connecting the pen drive, it will automatically copy all data to its internal storage and start playing them in an order which you define. We also have various other options like ticker management and in the software, background audio. So this software currently inside all these Standees is a key sign offline, which is the offline version of the sign-in software. We also have a cloud-based version, which is we call as KeySign Pro. You can, for KeySign Pro, the features are you can manage all these Standees with KeySign Pro from a remote location using your mobile or your computer. So you don't need to be present physically at the location to change any content. You can do that remotely using our cloud-based sign-in software management. It is a full-fledged software in which you can build your own teams, give different permission to different users. You can stream YouTube videos. You can do live sessions. You can play multiple news channels on the same screen. You can divide the screen into multiple parts and show different content on multiple parts. So we have many options for sign-in software, full-fledged sign-in software, and a very good quality enclosure, attractive looking, portable, long life and reliable, and high quality IPS panel display with toughened glass in front of it. Hope you like this product. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting updates. Thank you.